I'm Nobel Barwa, from Helsinki in Finland. Uh, I completed my graduations in a master's in public health from University of Eastern Finland. So have my another master's in biotechnology. But I am very deep dive into the data science, and I'm actually really practicing the data science for the 1 year. Really grateful about the tech class because I got some knowledge about the ethics and AI, and also the how can I implement the data science in this business area. So it's really good thing. I think so. Tech class, what the opportunity they are giving, like about these free courses, actually, is the good thing. Like the course itself is, and also there is just something else I found interesting. Like every module, so they have some kind of questions. Is really good, and after the all of the modules, there is have some assignment. It's really good. Yeah. I think that this TechClass course is given you some kind of what is going on in the world actually. So if someone take the classes, they know that they need to be upgrade themselves.
Nobel used his data science experience and new skills from TechClass training to deliver an exceptional project with impressive results. We wish him the best of luck in his future career.